Here's how to use the text tool in Photoshop. Go to your tool panel and select the text tool, or you can just press T on your keyboard to select the text tool. Now before writing the text, you can click here to select your font. You can also change your font style. You can also change your font size from here, and you can change your font alignment, and here you can change your text color. And now all you have to need, go ahead and write your text just like this. Now you can highlight your text, and you can also change your text color as well. Now to select the selection tool, and you can move your text just like this. You can also click and drag any of these dots to make your text size small and bigger. Now to add multiple text, add a new blank layer, select the text tool again, and write your second text here just like this. And you can highlight your text. You can change your text size, color, font as well from here. You can select the selection tool, and you can enlarge your text. Now if you want to align multiple text at once, then select those text layer you want to adjustment or align, and here you can go ahead and easily align your text just like this. So that's how you can actually use the text tool in our Photoshop.